Hi guys, I'm in Jeju Island for the first time and it is so windy and so cold. It is raining also a little bit, but it is so worth it. I have always wanted to come to Jeju and the first time was just so much fun. So let me tell you all about it. पहले हम गए इस म्यूजियम में जो बहुत ही cool था. It was like an illusion and everything just looked surreal. And हमारे जो photos है, हमारे जो videos हैं, that just looks like it's straight out of a movie. It was so cool. I felt like I was part of paintings, I was part of a music video or just a film, and it was really cool to just see this place. It was really cool. मुझे museums बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. I just love looking at art, and this was a place where I could not only look at art but actually be a part of art, and that was super fun. I actually saw so many beautiful things. There was one of my favorites was just a
film, and it was really cool to just see this place. It was really cool. मुझे museums बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. I just love looking at art,
and this was a place where I could not only look at art but actually be a part of art, and that was super fun. I actually saw so many beautiful things. There was one of my favorites was just a garden full of sunflowers, and मुझे sunflowers बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. Then there was the Van Gogh Starry Night painting, which is one of my favorite paintings. And yeah, this was a super fun place. If you're ever in Jeju, you should definitely come visit. So Jeju is actually known for its tangerines, and अगर आपने वो show देखा है When Life Gives You Tangerines, आपको पता होगा. Jeju is really popular for tangerines, so I got a beanie which has a tangerine and it was super cute. The water in Jeju is just so pretty. It was so blue and I enjoyed the view so much. The drive was gorgeous and it was sunny and it was cold, but I had the best time ever. Then we went to this place which was so beautiful. हमारे कैफे के सामने ही इतना सुंदर व्यू था और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, and because बहुत ठंड थी तो हम सब गए कॉफी पीने के लिए and it was just perfect. Next day actually we went to this place which was straight out of a dream. मुझे ये जगह बहुत अच्छी लगी. It is called Ecoland and I just loved how it looked. The experience was just fabulous. So पहले आप एक forest train लेते हैं and then it just goes right from the middle of the forest. It was so beautiful. And usually April, when it's summer or spring, there's more leaves and it's more green, but it was just fabulous to see the view. It was gorgeous and the weather was cold, but it was really beautiful to look at this place. And say hello to Dad. Hi guys. Such a beautiful day. Look at this place. It's beautiful. The experience was so good. We were here for about 3 to 4 hours and अलग-अलग जगह पे अलग-अलग trains है. Then there is a walking trail. Then we also went to a place where there were these small ponies and they were so cute. And आप इन्हें खिला भी सकते हैं. So I took some carrots and I fed them carrots. It was just so nice to be here. I've always wanted to come to Jeju and these experiences were so special. I felt like I was in a K-drama. There was this beautiful trail जहाँ forest के बीच में से चलकर जाते हैं. It was just so serene. I felt so peaceful and calm. Then we went to a place called Stone Park and it was so stunning. We could see a beautiful mountain with snow on top, and this place has lot of stones, and the reason is कि यहाँ एक volcano था which erupted, and all the stones here are actually from that volcano.
Now I'm gonna show you the place which is called the Sky Pond and it's so beautiful. I am so excited to be here. मुझे जेजू बहुत सालों से आना था and finally मैं यहाँ आई हूँ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ये देखो.
This is how they store kimchi and gochujang. It's Korean traditional way. Guys, this is the place where When Life Gives You Tangerines was shot, and we are here. I love that K-drama. I loved it so much, and it's so nice to be at the same place, the same location where it was shot. Look at this. Same place where When Life Gives You Tangerines was shot. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे. Just the air is so fresh and जो हवा है वैसे ठंड है but बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. For the next activity, we went on a half submarine and it was such a fun experience.
This is a half submarine and we can see all the fishes. Look at them. Oh, so pretty. See big fishes.
Yeah.
Wow. They're all winter fishes and we have come to say hi in this half submarine. Look at them. Oh!
I also had the opportunity to feed the fishes and it was such a cool experience. For the next activity, we actually went on this beach and मैंने ये K-dramas में देखा था. Just to be here felt like a dream come true.
Hi guys, we're at the Hamdok beach and this is the most popular beach in Jeju and it is so pretty. Look at the water, it's so blue and every tourist comes here. So the weather is so nice, but if it was summer, it would be even better. So अगर आप Jeju आ रहे हैं तो आपको यहाँ आना चाहिए. Hamdok beach and just enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome to Jeju. I'm going to give you guys a room tour where I'm staying. It's a really awesome place. It's my first time in Jeju. Let's go. This is how you enter and then woo! This is the room. Look at how beautiful the view is. Wow. You can also see the ocean, and then you have a bathroom, outfit check, and then you have this really cool master bedroom. Look at this place. You can just hang out and chill. There's also the skylight where you can have some light come in right there. This is the bedroom. You also have some natural light coming in from here. And there's a jacuzzi. We have another room. So pretty. Waking up to this view. We have another room. Just the shower. There you have it. This is the room tour of Jeju. So that was an 80-year-old sea woman. Here they go and they basically, they are the ones who get all the things from the sea. So they're super strong. They're 80, but clearly she was so strong. She was like, call me aunt, like I'm 80 years old, emo. Then in Seoul, there is a street called Myeongdong, which is my favorite shopping street. And there's this big store called Mimi Line. And I just went into the store and I saw this big surprise for me. It was a warm welcome from NRF and Mimi Line. Thank you so much for this welcome. It just made me so happy. Thank you so much, Gentle Monster and Tambourines, for this lovely surprise. They always send me the best collections. I'm a huge fan of the brand and I've always loved to associate with two of my favorite brands in Korea, Tambourines and Gentle Monster. This was such a lovely surprise.
So pretty! Wow! I'm so happy! Best unboxing ever. The bouquet collection!
So that was it, guys, for Jeju. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed my trip to Jeju. It was such a fun experience. I cannot wait to come back.